Okay, so those two roosters, I'm gonna find some homes for. If not, they're gonna go to the freezer because they're related to my girls. A few of my girls. This one's gonna stay here for life with me. The new girls are fitting in nicely. Today I moved the duck coop out, which will be I will be keeping my ducks in for when I get them. New hens are doing nice. One's sleeping. I'm going to be getting 2 Muscovies ducks. They're too young to leave their mom yet. So when they're ready, I'm gonna go get them. Just a farmer down the road has them. Oops. All the chickens were fascinated by it. Like one of my coworker wants chickens, so I might give her that rooster. If she wants a rooster, she already told me she does, but I guess we'll see what happens. Beautiful rooster. Doesn't crow, nothing yet. He's over 5 months old, so I'm surprised he doesn't crow yet. Here's a beautiful hen that next spring might be meaning freezer camp. I want more colors. I want more barred rocks in my life. My rooster, I'm going to try and find a home for him because he's a beautiful rooster and I'll give some amazing babies. Watch him eat a frog. Look at beautiful bird. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. She's getting her waddles and she's getting red in the face, so she's gonna be laying some eggs maybe next month or so. They're all around 5 months.